Hello everyone and welcome to the Academy. Again, we are an entertainment type of channel. Blah, blah, blee, blee. All right, the title is simple. Boxabl and Modulbox, so Boxabl and Modulbox just killed the market. Again, these type of small houses just killed the stock market. Think, and follow my logic. My logic is undeniable. All right. So have a look what happened. Think about of this guy. Okay. How much is his commission when he sells this house? It's, let's say, $20,000. How much it will be his commission when he sells this casita? I'm telling you, it's just $150 because one of these in Las Vegas is $10,000. So 3% minus the taxes and blah, 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 blah. Out of 300, he has to give to his boss, the broker, another something, blah, blah, blah. So he remains with 150 or whatever. So think about. Out of $300 that he makes on $10,000 purchase, he gets depressed. But not just that. You know what he's going to do? I'm telling you, he's going to go on the market and have a look in here. He will sell 3 or 5 shares of Tesla. A Tesla stock right now is 272. So for him to survive just because his commission is not okay, he has to sell some Apple, some Amazon, or some Tesla. All right, so the market is going down. Again, another factor is in the the hurricane, and the other factors is the everything started from the rates, the interest rates, the mortgage rates. Okay, so what I'm telling you to do, it's go and protect yourself. See my other video. Go to the Academy, go on Telegram and write and ask and dial and call and educate yourself how to protect yourself. So what I'm telling you, it's short the real estate market, short sell it. So buy some options, accelerate your trading possibility. Have a look. DRV, it's a reversal and it's up about 8.5%. Go on DRV and buy that. That's your protection. Use options. See my other video. Okay? Call us, contact us, come to the Academy and let's make some money. The message again, watch out. The market will go further down, short the housing market. Thank you very much for your attention and have a profitable day.